Robert was lost and searching for his best friend. Suddenly, he saw a small light shining from an old alley. Inside the alley, Robert found a broken toy drone. Robert decided to fix the drone.
The drone slowly started glowing again.
The drone flew into the sky. Suddenly, the drone projected a hologram map.
The map showed the location of his friend.
Robert quickly started running toward the destination. He reached an abandoned warehouse. Inside, he finally saw his friend.
His friend was weak and out of energy.
Robert shared his energy core. Together again, they walked into the bright morning.
Many different kinds of videos appear on YouTube.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel
And press the bell icon.
Please like and comment on the video.
And share this video with your friends.
May God bless you always.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.